Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're doing a small little pressure washing job. Gonna clean up these brick pavers back here. And go down this sidewalk and then hit this patio. Homeowner had asked if we can get all the moss out for him. So we'll spray all that out. Only thing I'm worried about is the blue stuff here. He said that that's some kind of chalk, and he had several different colors of it. All the other colors washed right off, and for some reason that wouldn't wash off. Hard to say if it's got some dye in it or what. Either way, this should all clean up real good, guys. Get this thing going. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're all done here. This one cleaned up really good. Able to get all that blue chalk off, no problem. It just blasted off. I didn't take any solvents or nothing. And that, let it dry up. It'll be all one color again. It'll look really good. Should brighten up really good too. Here as it dries. If you guys need any kind of pressure washing, carpet cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, any of the services we offer, give us a shout. WindyCitySteam.com. Thanks for watching, guys.